Alright guys, welcome back. First tip for Shop Tip Tuesday is going to involve clamp storage. Now, I know there's thousands of different types of clamp racks and different types of wall mounts for clamp storage and things like that. As of right now, me being in a smaller shop, I don't have a lot of square footage or a lot of wall space, which we'll get into in another video, to make a clamp storage rack, which I did extend my storage on a garage door, which is going to be the next tip video that I release next week, so keep an eye out for that. But I wanted to kind of go over how I store my clamps now and what I currently use, what I used to use, and I think you guys will benefit a little bit from this, especially if you're in like a double car or single car garage like I am. I feel like it'd help you out a lot. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so what you see here is my old solution to where I would store my clamps at. Simply a 2x4 that I mounted on my tool wall and a easy access place for my clamps when I needed them, because as my workbench is right under this. It was okay, but it just wasn't the best thing in the world. If you didn't put it up there without fully clamping the clamps up, it would fall off, knock tools off the tool wall. It just wasn't the best solution either. One of the other negative features about it is, depending on how you hooked it, if you were in a hurry, the bottom part of the clamp would get in the way of the other tools. And lastly, it just wasn't very big. You know, as you grow as a woodworker, you get more clamps, and the saying goes, you can't ever have enough clamps. So let me show you guys my other solution I found to the problem. Alright, so the one thing that I like about this, aside from don't pay attention to this broke arm, that's safety tip, don't break your arm, but one of the things that I found the most beneficial about this clamp storage rack compared to the other one is that the way that most of the clamps are designed, they have this little clip piece on the inside, and that almost fits perfect into that slot on the garage door framing. So every clamp that I have, 99% of the time, has that little hook. Bessie clamps, a little lip on there, and they slide off. Like I said previously on that other one, I didn't have like a lip on there to where and then I have to clamp it up the whole time. Here, I don't have to worry about how long these clamps are. I don't have to sit here and try to pinch it against anything. I just throw it up there and I'm done. Another thing, I didn't have really any space for that, which a dowel inside of one of your tool walls would work fine, just something straight to hide those on. But for me, it has worked very well just to clamp them up on one side of the piece like that. So this one today, pretty easy, pretty cut and dry. Just something that, like I said, helps me help you, and it's very convenient and easy, especially if you don't have a place to mount a dedicated, clamp storage bin, clamp storage wall, and it's very easy and a little safer than the other one. So if you guys enjoy this Tool Tip Tuesday, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. I post normal videos every week, and along with the Tool Tip video every week. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at DRaysWoodShop, and check out our website below, drayswoodshop.com. If you enjoyed the video also, feel free to give it a like. Helps the channel grow and helps more people see it. And as always, take it easy. I appreciate it.